Hey guys, this is John Basher. Thanks for tuning in. Well, we're getting the 2014 Suzuki RMZ450. Really not many changes, a few cosmetic updates. They changed ECM to make it a little easier to start. Other than that, they stood pat. Is that a bad thing? Well, it all depends. We've had problems with forks in the past. The show forks really stiff. That was our biggest complaint last year. The bike still finished third in our 450 shootout, but without any major revisions. We'll see how it goes. We're excited to ride the bike. It's the last 450 that we received of the year. Next up, we're going to do the 450 shootout. It should be really exciting. We'll see how the Suzuki plays in.
What's up, Motocross Action? Dennis Stapleton here out at the 2014 Suzuki 450 Intro. Some of the things, not many changes. They changed the ECU. Some of the pluses of the bike is the turning, the power delivery. It's an all-around good feeling bike from beginner to pro.